Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will show you the program of C programming. This question has been asked in GATE 2016. So let's see this program. We have given the program has include stdio.h. This is the header file of C programming, and we have given the function void mystery, and it has two parameter int pointer ptra and int pointer ptrb. So pointer a ptra and ptrb, we have given two pointers argument, and we are going to define this mystery function. We are taking int pointer temporary variable. This is the temporary variable pointer type, and we are going to assign value in this temp ptrb. When the function will call, we will get the value ptrb. So you are going to assign ptrb value in temporary and ptra value in ptrb, and ptra temp variable we will assign in ptra. So if you see carefully, there is a swapping concept you can see. Okay, and here is the main function. As you know that in each C program there is a main function. Okay, from main function program will execute. So here we have a b c d four variables. A value is 2016, b value is 0, c value is 4, d value is 42, and we are calling the function mystery. Okay, mystery function is given here. The definition of mystery function is here, and we are calling mystery function mystery address of a, address of b. Okay, we are calling this function by address of a and address of b because we have taken pointer variable as an argument in mystery, so there is a need to call by address. Okay, that is why we are calling address of an address of a and address of b. Here we are calling address of a, and here we are passing address of b. Okay, so address of a and b will appear here. Again, int temporary variable we have, and we are assigning ptrb in temp. So here is the concept, main concept. You are trying to assign ptrb in temp, and temp is what? Temp is a pointer kind of variable, so you cannot assign ptrb here. Okay, only address of ptrb you can assign here. So actually there is nothing is happening here. abcd value is not being changed. Actually abcd value will remain as it is. So if you call print %d a, so 2016 will remain same. Okay, at the end. So the answer is very simple, 2016. You will get the answer 2016 here. One more concept in this program. The mystery about mystery function is does not affect values in main. Okay, if we talk about the concept, then this mystery function is in reality there is it's not affecting the values of main function. That this is the only reason uh, swapping is not being performed by this function. Second thing, as in cc parameter are passed by value even if they are pointer, so here the pointer values are exchanged within function only. Okay, we can use double pointer of operator to exchange the values at the location of the pointer, and this will affect the values in main. So no changes in abcd. Okay, this is the reason we have got the answer 2016. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts, you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.